Thank you. Alright. Cool. Yeah. Cheers. Hey, what's up, guys? I got this Red Wing. My friend got them for me from Japan, and I'll unbox these and show you guys what's inside. But how's it going, guys? It's Kazuki again. Thank you guys for watching my video. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Guess what's inside? I got my first pair of Red Wing Postman Oxford 101. I already have Red Wing Iron Ranger. I got the pair about two years ago. This time I kind of wanted to get something that's a little more dressy but not too formal. So I found the Postman looks casual and dressy at the same time. So I'm planning on wearing these maybe in the spring and summer. But I got the pair just recently because it's really cool. And I'm in Chicago, but I had my friend who were in Japan until recently buy this pair for me in Japan because things are cheaper there. This one was like 55,000 yen, which is about $350, something like that. So it's $100 cheaper than they are in the US. Hopefully the sizing is good, but let's unbox this and see what they look like. Alright, let's unbox this. I'll show you the receipt later. Nice, it comes with this little card that says they inspect this product and they passed the quality standard of Red Wing. A little card here. Alright, here's the shoes. This is Red Wing Postman Oxford style 101. It smells really nice. I can smell because it's fresh right out of box, and I can smell the leather. And I believe the leather is called Chaparral Leather from SB Foot Tanning. There's a Red Wings in-house leather tannery. Japanese people call, I don't know if it's a like actual word that makes sense in America, but we call this kind of leather glass leather, because I heard, I believe the Chaparral is also one of those glass leathers that they put some kind of like coating on surface. It's like a kind of resin. I don't want to call it resin, but it's some kind of a resin-like material. They put that, it's like a coating on the surface. So it's a lot of water resistant, and you don't need to care too much or as much as you would have to do with more like a natural leather. I mean, I believe this is still natural leather, but it's really nice. The sole, I wasn't quite sure if I like this kind of sole. I like the leather sole, but this, people say this is really comfortable sole. I like this little tag. The green logo, it says SR/USA. I wonder what SR means. The inside looks cool too. Can you see it? Has has a Red Wing logo, and a little above that there's a, you know, the, it says genuine leather insole. So the insole is leather. Yeah, it's really nice. And yeah, it looks like it's got this little lining. I don't know what the material is. So let's lace him up. And I kind of noticed that, you know, people call, or Red Wing itself call this shoes Oxford, but I believe this is more Derby shoes because just how wide these two are, kind of, you know, separated. I believe if it's Oxford, they would have to be closed. I'll show you in a sec. I have some Oxford shoes, but looks cool either way. Yeah, this might take a bit. You can feel free to fast forward. The laces are, it's like a nylon-ish. Feels like a, yeah, really soft. I don't know if I might want to use different kinds of laces maybe in the future. And I'll talk about like sizing and stuff. This pair is a 7D. The USA size is a 7D. Let me. I get the picture. And I got my Iron Ranger in 60 in the US size, which I thought was a little too small. So I went ahead and visited Red Wing's shoe store in Chicago a couple weeks ago to measure my feet again, and they still recommended that I should get, yeah, either size 6.5 or 7 for Postman, because they're built on a different last. I believe the Iron Ranger is last 8. These are like a last 2 to 11, something like that. And they fit smaller is what they, so according to the Red Wing, and also AI also said, you want to go maybe 1 or 2 sizes up for Postman from the sizes of your Iron Ranger. So for me, Iron Ranger was 6, so I was going to get either 6.5 or 7, and I went with 7. And they look, to me, and to my eyes, this Postman 7D looks actually kind of small. So I'm really hoping that they still fit me well, because I bought them from Japan, so I can't really return them. That's the risk I was willing to take for the deal, $100 cheaper deal. Oh, the little thing on the tip of the lace just came off. Little that plastic thing on the tip of the lace came off, and I've been kind of struggling to put it back together or getting this lace go through these holes, because I will have to pull the lace, and if I pinch this and pull, it just keeps coming off. The other laces are fine. I'm not too upset about this, but said they inspect this product. I wonder if this is anything common, which I highly doubt. But the laces are not, I guess, high quality, I guess, but the shoe looks still fine, and I'm happy about the quality. This lace, I don't know about that. Well, anyways, I'm done lacing these shoes up. Here's my brand new Postman Oxford. Let me clean that up. Looks nice. But I'm gonna try them on and show you guys what they look like on me. But now let's try them on and make sure the sizings are good. And for the reference, this is my Red Wing Iron Ranger in size 6D. You can tell they're not the biggest boots on the earth. And I felt, yeah, they were a little bit, they could have been a little bit bigger. So let's see Postman 7D and how they're gonna fit me. Let's do this. This is the moment of truth. Kind of nervous. Hopefully they'll fit nicely. I think it's good. Well, definitely it's not too big for sure. It's really tight. Yeah, they're about the same size, and I'm kind of shorter. Yeah, I think it's okay. I think this is good fit. I think. Let's see. I think it's a good size. Gonna break in and stuff. It's still really stiff, but I guess I go for a little walk. I like the way they look on me though. It's not too big. That was my concern. The question is it too small? But I don't think so. I think it's good size. developing some creases. I'm excited to see how this Chaparral Leather is gonna age and develop some patina. Thanks for coming along, and I'll see you in the next video.